Happy Monday. I got my helper here. She helped me pack my items. We're on our way to post office. You say hi, Gigi? All right, it's a beautiful day. We're getting stuff done.
Because I got her on my scooter.
I know. You got her on your scooter, so you're in the wagon now. But it's still fun on the wagon. Welcome back. It's a beautiful day. We're just chilling in the backyard for a little bit. Just dropped off our packages. Yesterday I went through all of my inventory, made sure that everything I have listed in my closet is in my inventory. So that's important when you're an eBay and Poshmark seller, because sometimes you'll end up selling something on eBay and not deleting it from Poshmark. So
We can't find Abby's color.
we'll find it, honey. So that's what I did over the weekend. My little kickboxer just knocked the phone out of my hands. Yeah, so that's it for our week. Just getting her ready for school, working on getting rid of my Posh inventory. I have 200 items left, and then my storage unit will be completely empty. So I'm on track by the end of the year having that empty. And then once that's empty, I'm going to work on listing things from my own closet that are already in my closet, so that'll be super easy to operate. And
Fun.
that's it. We gotta go play. What do you want to play, honey?
Spirit toys.
Spirit toys. Okay, we're gonna go play spirit toys. The horsies are taking a swim because it's hot today. We got Boomerang, right? Is this Boomerang?
Yeah.
Okay, we got Boomerang.
And we got mustache.
Mustache. Ooh, I like a mustache.
It's a cute horse.
Yeah.
And we have snow.
Snow. Let me see snow.
And we have
Snow.
And we have a rope. And we have this bridle.
Yeah.
And we have Mr. Carrots.
Mr. Carrots.
Mhm.
We got all the horses.
And we have Zilla. And we have the food.
Yep, need the food.
And we have Slidey.
Okay. And here's Spirit, right?
And now I can pour some balls.
Okay. Wow, that looks so fun.
Yeah, Mommy, let's play with them.
Okay. I'll be Spirit.
I'll play Snowflake.
Snowflake. Okay. Hi, Snowflake.
Let's play beach ball.
All right, we're gonna do some beach ball. Oh no, Boomerang fell. There we go.
In the water, swimming. Kick your legs. Look, she's kicking her legs.
Yeah, she's a good swimmer. Go, Snowflake.
She can go underwater.
Yeah.
Wow, that was a cool trick. I'm getting so wet. Can you get a towel for them?
Okay. Hello, welcome back. I'm on my way to physical therapy and I got my results, my MRI. So basically I have a 2mm disc bulge, like one of my L4 lower discs, and then loss of lumbar lordosis. So they don't know if that's like I think it's caused by the scoliosis, but it's like aggravated. Mostly the main thing is like the bulge, so the 2mm, because they don't want it to get worse, because then it can like herniate and that's when you need surgery. So the goal is to get rid of that in the lower back, the disc bulge, and that's about it. So I have no makeup on today. It's good to let my skin just relax and do its thing. I'm breaking out on my chin. I got that mask knee going on, so that's fun. Okay, so basically I just got left physical therapy and they were able to explain the MRI. So You know, the only like thing, I mean, it's not serious, but I do have that 2mm disc slip or bulge, whatever it's called. And so as long as I don't do like any super heavy lifting, I'll be good. So the guy said that I could even like start jogging. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna go jogging because I was worried that it would make it worse because I don't want it to get worse than 2mm. The doctor said even at 2mm, it could take a year to like go back to normal, which sucks. But at least I have the go ahead to like, as long as I don't lift anything super heavy, that's pretty much my main limitation right now. So I am excited for that. I'm ready to get back into shape and do some cardio. So nothing wrong with my shoulder. That's good. I had a feeling it wasn't. It just was like sore for like 4 weeks and now it's been feeling fine. So that's off the list. Just basically now my back and just to manage it. So I'm gonna go jogging right now and go get a poke bowl, and that's it for today. So even though there is something there, and it was caused by, most likely by like the sudden impact. So one of the discs, like whenever you have whiplash, you have a really high percentage of having like a disc slip. So even though that is there, it's 2mm, which isn't super severe, even though it hurts like a lot. But you know, I'm excited to like get back into a little more physical activity stuff. So sort of good news, because I had a feeling there was something, but it was good news to know it's not like something debilitating and I can at least work out as long as I don't do lifting. I just have to be patient though, because it could take like a year for it to go back into place and I don't want it to get worse at the same time. So that's about it for today. I'm getting my jog on. It's Thursday. I'm gonna end this vlog today. So we got Gia's uniform yesterday. They were really nice and let us in. It was supposed to be appointment only right now, but there was no one there when we got there. So we were able to get her polo shirts and her little jumper and her vest. The clothing is expensive. She starts on Monday. They're doing like a jogathon fundraiser this weekend, but I don't know if we're gonna participate in it because we haven't even officially started until Monday. So that's gonna be fun for next year, definitely. But this weekend, we're just getting her ready for her first day of school on Monday, and then that's about it.